Let me teach you today how to solve this type of exponential equation. Ensure you watch to the end to learn how to solve this type of problem. Then if you look at this now, let's apply this law of indices. It has the multiplication law of indices. So if I apply this law, this particular law here, that means I will expand this one in this form. When we have a and addition at the exponents, then we expanded in this way. So we can do the same thing there. We have 4 raised to the power x multiplied by 4 raised to the power 16 is equal to x raised to the power x. Then the next thing we are going to do is to see how we can arrange this equation so that the ones that have x will be by the right hand side and the ones that don't have x will stay here. And you can see we have 4 raised to the power x here. So what we are going to do now is to divide both sides by 4 raised to the power x. Divide this one by 4 raised to the power x, so that this will have this one here. You can see that we are left with 4 raised to the power 16 is equal to, then since we have the common exponents in the fraction like this, you can put the fraction in the brackets and raise it to the exponents, because this exponent belongs to both of them now. So at this point, there's nothing we can do here again at the right hand side. Let's work with the left hand side. The next thing remaining is how we can express this one in this form. This right hand side, we have x over 4. We have a fraction as the base. Let's express this one also as a fraction, as in a fractional form, as its base. Then, but before we do that, there is something you have to take note of. In this particular one, the exponent is equal to the numerator of this fraction. Take note of that. It means that for us to express this one in this form, the numerator of the fraction of this particular one is going to be equal to the exponents. Therefore, I'll write the exponent 16 over, remember I said this one, since we have something over 4, this one also is going to be over 4. So we have to write 16 over 4. And when we say 4 divided 16 is going to give us this particular 4 here. So I did not change the base of this thing, this place. It remains the same thing. Then do not forget that it has power 16. Raised to power 16 is equal to, we have here x over 4 raised to power x. So at this point, you can now see that we can now compare x over 4, 16 over 4, which is 16, xx. So if we compare the exponents, we will get our answer as equal to what? 16. As simple as it is. Thank you.